How to fix Chat GPT not working on your browser. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily fix if your Chat GPT is not running on your browser. To do that, you first need to go ahead and open up your default browser. I'm using Google Chrome for now. And then you need to straight up go ahead and clear cache from your Chat GPT's website. To do that, go ahead and click on the top right corner. Now from here, head over to your settings. Once you open up your settings menu, you need to go to privacy and security on the left side of your screen. And once you have done that, you need to clear third-party cookies. Go ahead and click on this option. Now from here, you need to select the third-party cookies from your website. Now from this settings, you want to click on see all sites data and permissions. And you just have to find the OpenAI, which is the owner of ChatGPT. And if you cannot find on this list, you can search it on top. Go ahead and search for OpenAI. And you will see this right here. Click on this trash icon to delete all of the site's data and cookies. And once you have deleted it, you can go ahead and try to open up ChatGPT and see if it's working. Now, if it's responding like this, then that means it's working completely fine. And that's how you fix if your ChatGPT is not working. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.